In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Linux virtual machine in the Azure portal using SSH key authentication and show you how to connect to it from your local machine. Let's dive straight into the process, starting with creating your virtual machine. First, head over to the Azure portal. Once there, use the search bar to look up virtual machines and select it. You'll want to click on the Create button and then select Virtual Machine from the drop-down. Now, you're on the Basics tab, where we'll configure some important settings. Begin by selecting your subscription. Then, you have the option to either choose an existing resource group or create a new one. Give your virtual machine a memorable name, like Linux VM01, to easily identify it later. Next, decide the region where you want your VM to be hosted. Options like East US or Southeast Asia are commonly chosen. Moving on, for the image, select your preferred Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. The VM size is crucial for performance. Options like standard B2s can be suitable depending on your requirements. Now let's handle the administrator account section. Set the authentication type to SSH public key. Enter a username that you prefer, like Azure user. For the SSH key, you have a decision to make. Either generate a new key pair through Azure or use an existing public key. Azure provides documentation to assist you if you're unsure. Don't forget to ensure SSH, specifically port 22, is allowed under inbound port rules so that you can connect remotely. Moving on to the Disks tab, you'll choose your OS disk options. The default settings work well in most scenarios, but feel free to adjust based on your needs. Then, in the Networking tab, confirm that a public IP is set, facilitating connection from your local machine. Ensure the network security group includes a rule for SSH on port 22. You can always modify the source IP later for security. Now, skip through or accept the defaults under Management, Advanced, and Tags. With all that in place, click Review + Create. Wait for Azure to validate and then submit your setup by clicking Create. Keep in mind, the deployment can take a few minutes. Once your virtual machine is deployed, go to the VM Overview tab and make sure to copy the public IP address, as you'll need it to connect using SSH. With your VM ready, let's connect to it. On your local machine, make sure your SSH private key is accessible. If Azure generated it for you, ensure it's securely stored. If not, you should have the IDRSA private and IDRSA pub public files. In case you have a PEM file, move it to a secure folder and set its permissions by running the command chmod 400 path to yourkey.pem. Now execute the SSH command in your terminal. SSH Azure user @ Replace Azure user with your chosen username and setcon with the IP you copied from the Azure portal. If you see a prompt to accept the host key, type Yes. You should then access a shell prompt on the VM. To keep your system up to date, you can run sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade y. You are now all set to start deploying your workloads, managing your configurations, or setting up the firewall as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully created and connected to a Linux VM in Azure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your Azure ventures.